Hi, today we're going to talk about different kinds of cocktail and the application of facial cocktail. What works for A might not work for B because everybody have different skin type and different texture. Applying cocktail or moisturizers that are not from over the counter, it's very important that you understand the concept of application. Concept of application gives you different results on your skin. Using the fingertips most of the time to apply cocktail or special moisturizer on your skin might not work because you are not really getting them deep into the skin. So this kind of technique is what is going to help you infuse the moisturizer, the cocktail directly in your skin, and watch out the glow. It glows instantly, and this kind of moisturizer cocktail tightens and firms your skin, eliminating fine lines and wrinkles. Hey, what are you waiting for? Have you spoken to us? Have you talked to us about this kind of facial treatment? Come out and find out what is on the air, what is trending right now for your skin. Do not wait to call or make your appointment. Don't be the last one. We are waiting for you. Let's talk about this amazing cocktail here.